Whether you're facing a natural disaster, a power outage, or an unexpected outdoor challenge, having a well-prepared survival kit is essential. In today's video, we'll walk you through the essentials of building the perfect survival kit, ensuring you're ready for anything life throws your way. Why is a survival kit so crucial? Emergencies can happen at any time, whether it's a natural disaster like a hurricane or earthquake, or an unexpected event while hiking or camping. Having a survival kit ensures you have the necessary tools and supplies to manage the situation until help arrives. The goal is not just to survive, but to do so with minimal stress and maximum safety. Let's break down the essential items every survival kit should contain. First, first aid supplies are non-negotiable. A well-stocked first aid kit should include bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, and items for more severe injuries like splints or tourniquets. Next, water purification tools. Water is vital, and in many emergencies, access to clean water can be a challenge. Tools like portable water filters, purification tablets, or even a small water purification system can make all the difference. Then there's emergency food. Choose high-calorie, nutrient-dense options like energy bars, dried fruits, nuts, and ready-to-eat meals with a long shelf life. Multi-purpose items like tools and knives are essential for numerous tasks, from cutting materials for shelter to preparing food. Don't forget items like emergency blankets and shelter supplies. These can provide much-needed warmth and protection from the elements. There are several types of survival kits, each designed for different situations. Home kits are typically more comprehensive, containing enough supplies for a family to survive for several days. These kits might include larger quantities of water, food, and items like flashlights, batteries, and blankets. Car kits are more compact, designed for emergencies on the road. They often include jump starters, flares, and items to keep you safe while waiting for help. Outdoor kits are lightweight and portable, ideal for hikers, campers, or hunters who need to travel light but still want to be prepared. These kits emphasize portability and typically include lightweight food options, compact water filters, and small first aid kits. Building your own kit allows for a more customized approach, tailored to your specific needs and environment. Start by considering the most likely scenarios you might face. Are you preparing for natural disasters common in your area, like earthquakes or floods? Or perhaps you're an avid hiker who needs a lightweight kit for weekend trips. A basic kit should include first aid, water purification, food, shelter, and tools. But don't forget personal items, such as medications, personal documents, and even comfort items, which can help maintain morale in a stressful situation. It's also wise to think about the number of people your kit needs to support and for how long. Building your own kit can be a rewarding project, ensuring you're prepared for a variety of situations. Your kit isn't a set-it-and-forget-it item. It requires regular maintenance and updates. Check your kit every 6 months to a year, replacing expired food, medications, and water purification items. Seasonal changes might also require you to swap out or add certain items, like warm clothing in winter or insect repellent in summer. It's also crucial to ensure that any electronic devices, like flashlights or radios, are functioning properly and that batteries are charged or replaced. Keeping your kit up to date means you'll be ready for whatever comes your way. Beyond the physical items, consider additional preparedness tips. Take a first aid or CPR course to better handle medical emergencies. Familiarize yourself with basic survival skills, like how to start a fire or build a shelter using natural materials. Understand the risks specific to your region, such as earthquakes, hurricanes, or floods, and plan accordingly. Make sure your family or household members know the location of your kit and understand its contents and uses. And always keep a list of emergency contacts and local resources, like shelters or hospitals, readily available. Having a survival kit is more than just owning a box of supplies. It's about being ready and having peace of mind in knowing you can handle the unexpected. Whether you purchase a pre-made kit or build your own, remember to tailor it to your unique needs and update it regularly. Stay prepared, stay safe, and remember, when it comes to emergencies, preparation is your best protection.